Look at my daddy out there feeding his birds. I love my daddy. Look at my daddy out there feeding his birds. Tear that bread up, Daddy. Feed your birds. Oh, don't wipe your mouth. With that dirty hands, he just tore up all that bread. We ain't gonna wipe his mouth. There we go, Daddy. Make sure you cut it all down now. Let's see if he notices me. He noticed me, y'all. You'll have a whole flock of birds come out there and get that bread, y'all. It's truly amazing how my dad loves these birds. He'd go through a whole loaf of bread a day to feed his birds and make them happy. You gotta love that and you gotta respect it. There we go, Dave. Getting down to the last little bit. Uh-oh, he's called us, y'all. He called us. He